Okay, question. Let's do this question. This question is about Form 2, Chapter 11, Isometric Transformation. So now, there are some hot questions for you to do. Because of this picture, we know that it is hot question. It is PT3 official question. So let's see either you can solve the question or not. Then let's begin. In the diagram on the right, this draw the image of M under the reflection in the x-axis. Reflection. The process is reflection in the x-axis. So where is the x-axis? Correct, it is here. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. So there are here is the object M, and we need to find the image of M when we do the reflection of the object. Okay. First, we need to refresh ourselves. What is the meaning of reflection? Okay, this is a reflection. What is a reflection? Reflection when the object and the image are on the opposite sides of the axis of reflection. Opposite side. Here is the main idea, opposite side. Okay. Number 2, the object and its image. Oh, sorry. Quickly, we refer to this case. So the image going to be on the other side because opposite side, correct? Opposite side. So it's supposed to be somewhere around here. The opposite side, Okay. Number 2, the object and its image have the same perpendicular distance. So this next the next idea, same distance from the axis of reflection. Axis of reflection. In this case, the axis that been stated by the question is this x-axis. So it means that the distance is the same, like this point to this axis, it takes 3 small box, 1, 2, 3. So the same distance start from the same axis, 1, 2, 3. It's supposed to be there. Okay, the point there. How about this point? The same. It's supposed to be. It takes 2 steps, 1, 2, and so the same distance. 1, 2. So the point going to be there. And so does the each point there, 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 and there. If you feel it all of them, take a time and fill it according to the rule, so you might get all the point which is fulfill this rules. Okay. Number 3, the shape and size of the image. The shape and size of the image are the same as the object, also the same in terms of shape and size, but the orientation is reverse. Orientation is reverse. We're going to look at this later. It's reverse. Okay, never mind. Let's let's back to the question. Okay, suppose that we make all the points there, here, there. This point going to be there. This point. 4 small boxes, also 4 small boxes. Start from there, there, and keep going. This is going to be the last one. Point going to be there. So if we draw, now we connect all the points with a straight line. And there it is. Either, let me enlarge this for you. Okay, so it become clear for you to see and compare. So this new shape here is what we call image, and we put a label as M, and there is a symbol, a little symbol up there. Okay, stand for image. Okay, image of M. So let's back to the rules number 3 that we learned before. Either it is fulfill this. Okay, rules number 3, the shape and size the same. Okay, yes, it is. The shape is the same. Do not worry about the orientation. We're going to take a look at it later. Take a look at the shape only. Okay, the shape remain the same as the origin. And how about the size? The size also remain the same. Okay. Okay. The next one, you should notice, but the orientation is reverse. Orientation is reverse. So we see here the only thing that change when we do the reflection is orientation. Orientation is changed. It's like a mirror. It is a mirror actually. Reflection is a mirror. It's going to look like a mirror. It's going to change the left and right. Not upper and below, but left and right is what we call the orientation is reverse. Okay. This point, can you look at this point? It point below, but this point it point upper. Okay, it point up. this point below, this point up. And roles, the last roles are the image of a point, sorry, not roles, the properties, okay, the properties, the image of a point on the axis of reflection is the point itself. The image of a point mean 1D, not 2D, not 3D, but 1D is on the axis of reflection is the point itself. Let's see either you understand it or not. Let's say if we have shape something like that, which these 2 points touch the axis itself, and if we do the reflection, we're going to get something like this, also touching the same axis. Okay, and this is what it means by this. The image of a point on the axis of reflection is the point itself. Okay, itself. So back to the. So this is the answer. This is the answer, and we give a mark for you for this. Okay, make sure you use a ruler. Use a ruler. Don't do like mine. Don't do like mine. I just tend to teach you only, okay. Perhaps you get the right idea, okay. So, okay. Oh, and there are some work shown there, okay. A little work like that, and you make a point like that, and you connect all of them. And you put a symbol, remember that, must put a symbol, and a little, I forgot what we call it, okay, you'll find it yourself, okay. Then you'll get full mark for this, the symbol also, okay. Now, let's go for next question, number 2. Number 2, state the coordinates. State the coordinates. State the coordinates. So the first thing coming on your mind will be like something like this. What is there and what is there? Okay, this is coordinate. It's going to be the value of x there, and it's going to be the value of y there. Of the image W under the same reflection. Under the same reflection. Okay, the same reflection refer to the same axis that mentioned in the upper question. This refer to the same one. This. Okay. So W, where is W? There. This is W. So we need to find the first, before we come to find the coordinates of the image, we need to find the point itself after the reflection on the same axis. So let me enlarge this for you. Okay, so you will see it clear. Okay. So by the same properties, we'll know that the image is going to be the same in distance from the same axis. Okay, 1 and also 1, and the point going to be there. Okay, and yeah, and here come the question, what is the coordinate there? So the coordinate going to be, read it from the scale, read it from the scale, and first come the the scale of x-axis, the reading of x-axis. In this case, it located there. There is, what is the value there for x-axis? -2, -4, -3. Okay, so it is -3, and this supposed to be the value of y here, and the value of y is dot 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 until it reaches the scale of y-axis there. So we have 2, 4, of course this is going to be 3, and this is going to be 1. So the value is 1. Okay, there it is. So the question asks us to state the coordinate, and we give them this -3. The coordinate is -3, 1. Thank you for listening, and keep moving along with the next question.